thought it'd be a good idea to go through a quick unboxing of this Kowloon's barbecue grill set that I just received. Spatula, fork, brush, and tongs. Have not, and a grill mat. Have not opened this yet. It just came in the Amazon box. Looked exciting online when I saw it. So, first we got some barbecue tongs, rubberized. It's a thin gauge stainless steel, stamped steel. Paper fiber on there. These are medium weight, not super heavy duty. Certainly thinner than some of the heavier duty pairs I've seen, but it has the hook at the bottom here to hang it. Rubberized grips. So this opens to lock it or closes, pull to close, and push to open it up. So that's nice. Always use a good pair of tongs. A barbecue brush for barbecue sauces or any type of basting you gotta do. Rubberized, big chunky rubberized bottom handle. Another hook down here, so that's nice. Reach into the grill to put the barbecue sauce on without burning your hand. A big old barbecue fork, two-prong fork, rubberized grip there, bent metal handle, another hanging doohickey there with a laser etched logo, so that's nice, and a spatula with rubberized handle, bent stainless steel, doohickey to hang with. Let's look at spatulas. Oh, look at that spatula. Comes with a bottle opener. Now that's fun. Go-to bottle opener in case you're at the grill and need to pop open a bottle. Serrated edge here, which is great for cutting meat. I don't know. That's not really sharp. It's certainly a honed edge there. This is sharp, serrated. And then this is actually a really nice thickness, thicker than the other tools. So this is not flimsy at all. It's about an 1/8 inch thick steel. So you got a nice weight there. That shouldn't be a problem. Flipping burgers, so forth. And then we've got grill mat. So let's see what that looks like here. And we've got a grill mat for the tools, I assume. Let's see here. Non-stick, heavy duty, easy to clean grill mat. Yep. So we're gonna put this, I guess, down. Anyways, I'm not sure I'd use this. It doesn't look that heavy duty from being able to blow away in the wind. And I'd rather use, I have some silicone mats and frankly a paper towel might be better than that. But as far as the tools go, this is great. So the spatula is nice and heavy duty. Fork is nice and heavy duty. Tong and the basting brush. All great utensils for the grill, all at a nice length, about 18 inches or so. Yeah, 18 or so inches. So that's, I'll measure that exact actually for you. Ooh, almost exactly 17-ish inches. So overall great. I like the set. It's good value for the price, and look forward to barbecuing and then easy cleanup.